everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I have an unboxing review of the Ohuhu Beauty 16 color gel polish kit, and I'm going to show you guys what is in this kit. So in the box you get a nice little pamphlet with everything that's included, which includes 12 gel polishes and then 4 glitters as well as some tools. You also get a really nice UV LED nail light. This is a 36 watt, which is perfect for gel manicures or even polygel. And then in the kit, it comes nice and packaged in the foam, so you get all of your nail polishes and the tools nice and compact. None of the polishes spilled in my package, which was really nice. And for the tools, you get a really nice little nail brush, a toe separators, a nail buffer, a hand file, a cuticle pusher, as well as some toenail clippers, and then of course a cuticle trimmer and a nail dust brush. You also get a matte top coat, a glossy top coat, and a base coat, and then here are the swatches about the polishes. So those were all the swatches. I really do enjoy them. They're perfect for fall and winter time, and I would definitely be using them in upcoming tutorials. And for this look, I already prepped my nails off camera, so I applied my tips. I did apply a layer of top coat just so that I can pop off the nails after I'm done filming. I don't usually keep my nails on for that long, so that's why my nails are shiny. And for the glitter, I'm using that really nice copper glitter. It's in the color GPO5 or 6, I think it's 5. It's a really nice copper bronzy glitter, perfect for the fall time. And then with this glitter polish, I'm applying it to my nail and making sure to concentrate the color, because I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate this with clear polygel later on, since I don't have a color like this in polygel. And then while I'm applying it, I'm making sure to go ahead and clean up the edges so that when I cure it, I don't cure any polish on my skin. And then here I'm just adding a second layer of the glitter nail polish to my nails, just so that I can have a really nice full glitter coverage. And then before curing, I made sure to go ahead and wipe off the edges again. And then for my ring and middle finger, I went for a nude polygel. This is from Manicure, which is my favorite polygel brand, and this is actually my favorite nude. It's called a Siesta. I think they may have changed the name because now they have new packaging, but I will leave the link down below for you guys. You can order it off of Amazon or from their website. And for my pointer finger, I'm doing a glitter ombre, and I'm taking that same glitter nail polish and I'm using that to ombre since I don't have the polygel in these colors. So what I'm doing is pretty much the same thing I did with my pinky. I'm just slowly building up the color, and then this time I'm making sure to go ahead and ombre the glitter nail polish down the nail so that when I apply my nude, there isn't a harsh line. And And then I also applied the nude to my thumb, and I don't know about you guys, but my thumb application is like my favorite finger to apply polygel. I don't know what it is, but like every time I apply polygel on my thumb, it always turns out like the nicest. Maybe because I do it last, or maybe because my thumb is bigger than the rest of my fingers, but whatever it is, it always ends up being the nicest nail and my favorite nail to work on. So I went ahead and applied 2 coats of this nude to my ring, middle, and thumb, and then made sure to cure all of my fingers in the lamp for at least 30 seconds. For my pointer finger, I did an ombre, so I'm taking that nude polygel and then applying it towards the base of my nails, and then making sure to not flood my cuticles because sometimes the polygel ends up flooding your cuticle. So just make sure to pat your polygel not too close to the cuticle. I usually like to pat it as close as I can and then work on the ombre, and then once I like the ombre, I go back in and fix the cuticle area and then cure in the light once I'm done. And taking some Macart clear polygel, I'm encapsulating the glitter on my ring finger as well as the ombre on my pointer finger. The point of encapsulating is to protect the design when you're filing, so that when you file, you don't file into the glitter or you don't file into the ombre. So that's why you always want to encapsulate your designs. You can also encapsulate the nude color, but since I'm not really keeping my nails on for long, I don't feel the need to have to like add more polygel to those nails. But if I were to keep this set on, I would have definitely encapsulated the nude with some clear just to add some more structure. And then once I was done encapsulating my nails, I took my hand file and started to shape my nails. In this video, I actually just shaped my nails only with a hand file. I did not use an e-file, just to show you guys that, you know, if you don't have an e-file, you definitely can shape your nails with just a regular hand file. I did switch between this black hand file that came in the kit and another hand file that I have at home. The one I have at home, this white one, is actually just a lot bigger, so I like to use it to file the surface of my nail since the file itself is a lot bigger. And these are what my nails look like after shaping and filing. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the top coat from the kit. I actually really like this top coat. It's nice and thick, so when you apply it to your nails, it's super shiny and smooth and not super runny. So I do really like the formula of this top coat. But I'm applying this onto my ring and middle finger first, so that when I cure under the light and apply my nail art on top, if I make any mistakes, it's a lot easier to wipe off. And then before curing, I made sure to wipe off the edges so that I can keep the nice shape. And then for the nail art, I used the white and the black gel polish from the kit. And for the design, I decided to go with the little ghost trend that's been going around since spooky season is here. I basically just take the dotting tool and use that to form the body of the ghost. And I use the picture as reference. And then once I finished drawing the body of the ghost, I took some of the black gel paint and then I used the other side of the dotting tool since it was a lot smaller, and I used that for the eyes. I did take a few tries to do the eyes because I didn't really like how they looked. And then once the black was done, I went in with some white polish and then used that as like the pupils of the eyes on the ghost, and I think it turned out really cute. And then make sure to go ahead and flash cure in between so that you don't accidentally mess it up. And then once I was done with the nail art, I made sure to top coat all my nails, wiping off the edges before curing, and that was the completed look. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe as always. Follow me on Instagram down below, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next one. Bye!